What's up guys, in this video let's perform the water test on the Redmi Note 6 Pro, a phone with no IP rating, and see if it can survive all the rounds. Starting as usual, checking the layer of oleophobic coating on this Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Things seem to be normal as water droplets are being formed on the glass surface. In devices like the Vivo V9 Pro and Realme phones, which lack this oleophobic layer, water tends to stick to the glass instead of rolling off, not really helping in resisting water. So apart from reducing fingerprint smudges, this layer also helps in repelling water to a certain degree. Unofficial reports say that the Redmi Note 6 Pro has P2i water repellent technology, but these reports does not seem to hold true since, as you can see, water is sticking to the back surface instead of rolling off. That may be the reason why Xiaomi have not mentioned it on the official website or during the launch event. Here's hoping that the Note 6 Pro is able to pass the light splashing round onto heavy drenching. Every phone reacts differently in the water tests. Like for example, the Asus Zenfone 5Z had suffered from screen damage issues due to water seeping inside the screen, or the Redmi Y2 where the screen had gone blank for 14 hours. Besides that, the most common reaction to happen is low distorted audio from the external speakers, which can last for a few seconds to several hours and may cause permanent damage to the sound unit. So let's find out if the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro is able to survive all the water abuse or not. The Redmi Note 6 Pro did a great job against water, even though it has no IP rating or any kind of waterproofing. Even though some water had condensed into the lower camera during the test, it did dry up within a few hours and passes the test.